Olo.
Hello, beautiful people. What's up? So, quick rundown of this video. It's very short, sweet, and simple. I've wanted to create a centralized location where people can put their suggestions and ideas. So, if you see something really cool in a game, or if there's something that you've been wanting to learn for a while and you haven't found any resources or tutorials on this, then please drop them down into the comments below, and I will do my very, very best to create a tutorial based on that. Some of the tutorials that I've created have been based on viewer suggestions. So for example, the mesh deformation, that was based on a viewer's request. So thank you very much for that. Also, please attach a reference if you can. Say it's from a game, civilization building game, and you want to see how to procedurally generate buildings or whatever. Leave the reference link or an image or something that I can actually go and see what it's like and try to deconstruct it, I suppose is probably the best way to put it. Thanks very much. Leave your comments down below, leave your suggestions and ideas, and I will try my very best to create a tutorial on them. Cool. Thanks, guys.